So you already bought your Go Weekend Pass. Now what? How to activate it? In this video, I'll show you exactly step by step how to activate your Go Weekend Pass, how long it's valid, and what you need to bring on board with you. But just in case you clicked on this video because you were expecting to find out more about the Go Weekend Pass itself, how it works, how much it costs, and so on, then you can check out this video over here. After you purchase your Go Weekend Pass, you should immediately get an email confirmation in your email inbox. And this is how it looks like. If in any case you did not receive this email from Go Transit, then make sure that you contact them as soon as possible, because without this ticket, you will not be able to activate your Go Pass. Your invoice, your receipt cannot be used as ticket. Step 3. Once you receive this email, scroll down to the bottom and you will find your activation link. But very important here, guys, do not click on the link immediately. Once you click on the link, the ticket will be activated within 5 minutes, and you do not want to do that. You want to activate the tickets 5 minutes before you board the train. So do not click on the activation link, just make sure that you know where it is. So later on the day when you depart, when you're at the Go station, you know exactly where to find the ticket. Last year in December, guys, I also purchased the Weekend Pass myself, and in a second I'm going to show you the footage where I activate my Go Weekend Pass step by step. But before I continue with that, I want to answer a question about the validity of the Weekend Pass, because this is something that many of you ask me. So once you purchase the Go Weekend Pass, how long is it valid for? When is the expiry date? By when do you have to activate the ticket the latest? So here in the details, it states that e-tickets, including the Go Weekend Pass, expire within 7 days from purchase unless indicated otherwise. So for example, I purchased my Go Weekend Pass on December 8th in the evening and it expired on December 16th. So this means that if you're planning to travel using the Go Weekend Pass at the end of March, do not purchase your Go Weekend Pass at the beginning of the month because it will have expired by then. So now let me show you on my phone screen how to activate the Go Weekend Pass. So the train is about to arrive in about 5 minutes, and it said that we have to activate the ticket 5 minutes before, or not earlier, not later. So let's do it now. So I'm going back to my email, the email that Go Transit sent me. Here it is. And it says basically that I need to click on the link that corresponds with your trip to access and then activate your e-ticket or pass 5 minutes prior to travel. And remember, you need to have a data or Wi-Fi connection. So here's the link down below here. It's this one with the long number. So I'm gonna click on that now, and it's not activated yet. So this is just the link to the ticket. So here you can see the ticket. Somehow I cannot zoom it out, but you can see it has it says one $10 day pass. It's a multi-use pass, has a ticket number, and it's still inactive here. December 10th, 2022, 9:54. So our train is going to arrive at 10 a.m. We're going to take that train. So I'm going to try to activate it exactly at 9:55. That's in a few seconds. I'm going to press on the screen button, and it says that your ticket will then become valid 5 minutes after you press activate and be valid for 1 day, since I got the weekend day pass. Okay, it's 9:55 now, so let's activate the ticket now and see what happens. Activate. Okay, it says not valid for travel yet, but don't worry. The reason is because, as it said in the email, it will become active 5 minutes after I activate it. So we should be fine. So very important, guys, if you want to use the Go Weekend Pass, make sure that you have an active internet connection on the day. You cannot activate it at home, make a screenshot of it, or print it out and bring it on board. It will not be accepted. You have to show the ticket on your phone, otherwise it is not valid. So let's board the train now, and I'll show you how the ticket activates. So now it's already activated here. You see it's active for 23 hours and 59 seconds. So the color has changed. It was red previously, and now it's like a blue purplish. Yeah, so I guess we're good. So here my ticket is valid for 24 hours because I purchased the Go Weekend Day Pass. But if you purchase the Go Weekend Pass, which covers 2 days, a Saturday and Sunday, or Sunday and public holiday, I think that's an option, then of course the validity will be 2 days long. By the way, guys, if you've never taken the GO train before and you're curious how it looks like inside, then go ahead and watch this video over here where I show you my trip to Kitchener using the GO train. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.